Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you our ideal hygiene kit that we have brought with us on several of our trips. Let's open it up. The first thing inside the kit is a deodorant, a new Rexona roll-on deodorant. We chose a roll-on deodorant over a spray deodorant mainly for its compact size. Next is a Voya hand cream. We all know the feeling of dry skin on our hands, and this cream will prevent it, saving your day, especially if you're planning to travel to a dry country or city such as Dubai. Next, we have two normal razors and a small can of prep shaving cream that will make your skin feel soft, fresh and elastic. Inside the kit, we also have a medium-sized Colgate, and don't worry, you'll see where we have the toothbrush later in the video. We also decided to add one small bottle of shampoo and one small bottle of shower gel that we got from a hotel in Abu Dhabi. These are perfect because of their small size and because you probably will find more shampoo and shower gel in your hotel room. In the kit, we also decided to put this black aluminum case. This case contains the second part of our hygiene kit, and we decided to separate it from the rest of the kit because you will be able to carry this box with you on the plane. We decided to do this because in this way you will have a quick access to part of your hygiene kit in order to stay fresh even after a long flight. The first item present inside the box is another tube of hand cream that will keep your hands fresh and moist during your flight. As we already mentioned earlier, this kit is perfectly fine to bring with you on board of a plane because you are allowed to carry razor blades on board as long as it is a disposable razor. We also have a small bottle of mouthwash because there's nothing worse than having a bad breath after a long flight. Inside the kit, or the second part of the kit, we also have two Q-tips, just because why not? They just occupy a small amount of space. So there's also a small amount of shaving gel, which isn't as good as the shaving cream, but it will get the job done, hopefully. Into the kit, there is also a small glass bottle of perfume to smell good after your flight. This glass bottle, we actually got it from an Emirates kit, and we just thought it was a really cool idea. Next in the kit, we also have a small container of lip balm to keep your lips from cracking, especially if you're traveling in a hot place. Another object that we have inside the kit is some dental floss, because we really hate the feeling of food in between our teeth, and this is the perfect solution. Also, it's really lightweight, so why shouldn't we put some in the kit? Next up, we have the toothbrush and some more toothpaste. We decided to put the toothbrush inside this part of the kit because preferably you'll wash your teeth or on board of the plane, or as soon as you land, just to keep your mouth fresh. And that's also why we have the small toothpaste with it. Last but not least, inside the kit we have a comb, and this is used just to fix our hair because we like to look fresh and clean. Okay, so now let's put the box away, let's put everything aside, and let's do a small recap of what we have inside our kit. So the first thing, the things that we have inside our kit are 3 razor blades. Okay, next we have some shaving gel and some shaving cream. Inside our kit we also have a toothbrush, a small tube of toothpaste, a larger tube of toothpaste. We also have some mouthwash, some lip balm, just to protect your lips, some dental floss, some perfume, a bottle of shampoo and a bottle of shower gel. We have one roll-on deodorant, two Q-tips, and 2 Voya hand creams, and also a comb. These are all the products that we have inside our hygiene kit, and yes, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.